See, as you can see, the more you f around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never f around, you'll never find out. I've already found out a few times. But if you're someone who wants to learn the hard way, just follow the advice in this video.
Hey y'all, it's the repo man looking for y'all. Your car about to get repoed? Listen up, listen up, listen up. So, in order for it to be considered a repossession on your credit profile, they have to find the vehicle, okay? Okay, my friends. If they don't find the vehicle, there is no such thing as a repossession being reported on your credit report because they didn't repossess shit.
It's funny that he called it your car. It's not your car. It's the bank's car until you've paid back every single dollar you agreed to. If you don't, they're going to take it back. That's how it works. Read the contract.
Right? So the only thing that they can do to the account now is charge it off. But if you know about a charge off, you know that that means that the IRS is still being reported as it income. Okay? So if they're still reporting income because it's a charge off, sounds like some sort of fraud going on, don't it? So start making them claims, baby! Telling someone to hide a car to avoid a repo is some of the worst advice I've heard. And it's illegal. All it does is delay the inevitable. You might hide it for a bit, but it'll backfire. They are getting the car back, and you could end up paying more and facing legal action. This is an excellent way to find out.
If you got your car repoed, don't feel ashamed. Just go ahead and remove that off your credit report. Go ahead and do the sweep, get it deleted off your credit report, and get a new car next week. It's that easy. You can literally remove anything off of your credit report using the guide in my bio. I typed up the letter for you. I wrote out all the instructions. All you gotta do is just follow it step by step. Get that repo off of your credit report and go into the dealership and get a brand new car. You can go in and get a 2026 no money down. It's that easy.
It's just that easy. TikTok financial advice is almost always about an easy way, a hack. Just remove the repo from your credit report, then go buy a new car. Problem solved.
Don't be so attached to that old car because it's easily replaced. I've helped plenty of people get their credit fixed. You can be like any one of these people I helped out. They bought my guide, they followed it step by step, and they seen deletions. If they came and picked your car up on Monday, you can be in a brand new car by the next Monday if you follow these steps. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and get it together.
Don't be so attached to that car. The problem is, legally you are. You still owe on it. Removing it from your credit report looks great on paper, but adding another loan before you've taken care of the first one is how you end up with another repo.
Guess what? We are now accepting Afterpay on all credit repair plans. I've never heard nothing like this before. We're the only people that's doing this. Yes, pay your credit repair. Get your credit repair first. Pay in 4 payments. We remove charge-offs, repossessions, collections, $17K in debt in less than 30 days from this client's report. And guess what? You can do that too, all in 4 payments. So, we accept Sezzle too now. Sezzle and Afterpay. Get your credit repair first, pay later. If you're interested in doing this, go on our Instagram, Raise Recovery Co., and go in our link in our bio, and you will see all the links to the Afterpay plans. Yes, this is real.
We're the only people doing this, and there's a reason for that. It's a horrible idea, and it might be one of the worst yet. She's offering payment plans to people who can't make their minimum payments, so they can fix their credit just to take on more debt. Only on TikTok.
I tell everybody not to get no car note. But realistically, if you don't have no transportation and you need a vehicle, get that fucking car note. Car notes range from damn near $200 to $500. My car note is $300, damn near $400 basically. I make over $400 within one check. But when y'all add insurance on that shit, I'm a young driver. So they try to charge me $500 to $1,000 depending on which company I go to. I mean, it's $600 really, but $600 to $1,000 depending on what company I go to. I'm about to roll this in.
Don't get a car note, but I have one. And if you need one, get one. $400 car payment, $600 insurance. She makes a little over $400 a paycheck. Let's assume she gets paid weekly, hopefully. she'd be spending half her income on a car.
So that's why I tell people, like, really think about getting a car note, because on top of a car note, you're going to be paying insurance. Insurance plus a car note plus your bills if you're paying rent. I don't pay rent. I live in my mother's state. So, yeah, I can have that as a bill right now. But if I had a $15,000 rent plus my bills plus that car note plus that insurance, that'd be a little overwhelming. And I still like to travel. Like, I'm finna go to Houston this month. So it's just like, that's a big-ass bill when you really think about it. So that's why I tell people not to get a car note.
So now we switch back to not having a car note. And she's right. All the extra costs that come with owning a car add up fast. She can afford it because she doesn't pay rent. But that also traps you where you are until the car is paid off. No car loan and no rent is the best position you can be in. That is your chance to save as much as possible, because you probably won't get that opportunity again.
So if you got the money to buy a fucking vehicle, buy that fucking vehicle. I don't give a fuck how many miles you got on that fucking car or it got on that car. You gonna put some more on it. As long as that bitch ride good, get you A to A to B, you're good. You can save up as much money as you want. Every month you about to be paying on that car note, you could be putting that up. You can get you a shooter. Put that money up every month to get you your new car, the one that you want, so you can cash it on that car. I just feel like do what's best for you. If you need that car note, if you need a car right now like I did, get it, baby. I don't regret it. I don't miss no payments, and I don't have no but yeah.
Now I had to watch this clip multiple times just to figure out what the point was. And it comes down to this. Don't finance a car unless you need to finance a car. Now she said she doesn't miss payments, but right after that, it sounded like she said she doesn't have insurance. So what was the point of this? No idea.
Your car salesman pocketed your whole tax refund, Bookie, just for you to waste all your money in payments, get your car repossessed, and for them to hit you with the car value on your credit report as a repossession for 7 years. I'm convinced as a woman, we gotta take accountability that we make bad investments when it comes to cars. Car notes is the #1 wealth killer in America. And when your credit is bad and you don't have proper car etiquette and you're getting scammed by paying a down payment when you should never have to pay a down payment for a car, period, is diabolical.
I'm going to let the whole proper car etiquette thing slide. But down payments aren't scams, and I don't know how anyone could think that. They're one of the best things you can do if you choose to finance, because you'll pay less overall. The salesman doesn't pocket it. You're not getting ripped off. It goes straight towards what you owe. I know, shocking.
If I was you, boo, I would dispute that repossession legally by the FCRA. Creditors are supposed to send you a notice in the mail 30 days before they plan to put that repossession on your credit report. They're going to sell your car to the auction. You should be disputing and making sure when they make that sale from your car that they apply that to your car loan. And then my best part of advice, and I say this with 5 successful cars paid off with a title, working on my last car and I'm done. Girl, you better buy that car cash or make sure you got a pre-approval from your bank with an interest rate lower than 4%. Credit score at least 700, so you would never get yourself in this situation.
At least she mentioned paying for a car in cash as an option. But the rest of the advice doesn't help. Disputing a repo doesn't fix anything. If your car was taken because you didn't pay, that's the issue. And until you can properly manage your finances, you shouldn't be borrowing any money.
So remember I put y'all up on game about the 24-hour charge-off removal method, right? So I told y'all that it was on sale for $14.99, right? Yep, I did that too. I told y'all to grab it before the price went up. Yep, I told y'all that too. Now here's the thing. One of my followers purchased the same method I told y'all to get before the price went up, right? He purchased it on Sunday. Now on Sunday, he did the method, he did whatever he posted in the video, right? And here's the results.
Anyone promising to remove accurate negative information is likely running a scam. Credit bureaus are required to keep accurate records, and there's no reason to pay anyone for this anyway. You can dispute inaccurate information for free.
I don't know what else to say, y'all. I don't. Delete it. Now, the prices went up. You still don't have the method. Your credit is still trash. Like, what are you waiting on? Like, what are you waiting on? I basically gave this method away.
I'd be surprised if you could even give this away for free. The funny thing is, I actually believe these people think they are helping. In reality, they're helping people destroy their finances. Fixing your credit takes time. There is no shortcut. Anything that promises a quick fix is almost always temporary, and usually makes things worse in the long run.
To get a charge off or a repo removed within 48 hours or less, follow these steps. My client did it and she got 12 charge offs removed. You're going to create an Innovis account. Innovis is a secondary bureau. That's how your information is verified. You're going to log in and select the repo or the charge off. You're going to upload the FTC complaint, the consumer laws, and the Innovis letter, guys. If you don't have that, go to the bio and get the Become the Plug playbook. The charge off removal hack is in there for you. Once you get all that uploaded, you're going to hit submit. It's going to be removed within 48 hours or less. Once it's deleted, you're going to create a CFPB complaint. You're going to upload proof that it was deleted from Innovis, the FTC complaint, and the letter with the consumer laws. You're going to send that to all 3 credit reporting agencies. Once they receive that, guys, they can no longer verify it from Innovis, so they have to follow suit and delete it as well. That most likely this is going to happen within 30 days or less, and now your charge off or your repo is gone. Follow me for more tips. Go to the bio and get the Become the Plug playbook. It has the entire hack or comment credit, and I'll send it to you.
12 charge offs removed. That's basically someone who has never paid their bills. And somehow, helping people like this get access to more credit is what she thinks is a good idea. Following this might get you a temporary boost in your score, but all it does is let you take out more loans you can't afford. And eventually, like these people, you'll eventually find out. If you want to see more, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.